If you're wondering how to replace the headlight bulbs on your F30, wonder no more. Welcome back. I'm Dylan with Beamer Tech. Unfortunately, the IIHS rated the BMW F30 with the halogen headlights to be some of the worst headlights they have tested. So you might need to know how to change those bulbs. While this is not a product we sell, we thought a bunch of you might need to actually know how to change your high and low beam bulbs in your F30. Now, just a quick tip. When you're working with these bulbs, make sure you're either wearing rubber gloves or you don't touch the glass, because the oil in your fingers can cause the bulbs to fail early. First, let's cover the high beams. Open your hood by pulling on the hood release latch twice. Lift the hood and locate this circular cover. Rotate it slightly and you'll feel it disconnect. Inside, you'll see the high beam bulb on top. Pull the bulb out from the metal tabs holding it in. If it's stuck, you might have to slightly bend the tabs to free the bulb. Once the bulb is free, pull the plug out from the back and discard the bulb. Take your new bulb, plug it in, and reinsert the assembly into the metal tabs. Seal the cover back into place, and you're done. The low beam bulb is a bit trickier to get to. Whichever side you're working on, you're going to want to make sure the wheel is turned in, so that way you can access the panel in the fender liner. Once the wheel has been turned, you'll see this access panel. Pull down on the two upper tabs and the panel will come free. Inside, you will see and feel another round cover like the one for the high beams. Rotate it and remove it just like the one on top. The low beam bulb will be behind a similar set of metal tabs as the high beam. Remove it from the metal tabs. If it is stuck, slightly bend the tabs. Once the bulb is free, disconnect it by pulling the plug out of the back. Discard the old bulb and plug the new one in. Then, reinsert the assembly into the metal tabs. Seal the housing back up and place the cover panel back on. Give your lights a quick test to make sure that everything is functioning so you can enjoy seeing once more. Again, while we don't sell these bulbs on our website, we want to help you make sure that your BMW is well maintained so you can keep up that ultimate driving experience. For more tips and tricks about BMWs and for some more bright ideas on how Beamer Tech can help you with your ride, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.